If you run a business and you're trying to save more than 20 hours a week using AI, this is the right video for you. We're going to go through the three different platforms you can use right now to save you tons of time in your business. And if you like these kind of videos and you want to know more about high profit side hustles and know about AI tools, there's going to be a link down below for free. So let's talk about the three different platforms I would use and how to use them in your business. Number one, Chatbase. Number two, Transcript. And number three, Conduit. Now, what does each platform do? The first one, Chatbase, allows you to create your own custom chat GPT. What does that mean? You can create your own chatbot for your business. So, say for instance, tons of people ask you questions over and over again. You're constantly answering them on your website. If you have a chat bot using AI, you can now give them custom answers and they can have a conversation. For example, you can connect this with different databases or Google Docs. You can go with Excel spreadsheets, Notion, whatever you want to use. You can use that as the backend so people can get their questions answered. So you could feed in 50 of your FAQs, you can now have that and it will answer just like if they're using ChatGPT. But along with that, you can also use this if you're an expert in your field. So if you're an electrician, if you're a coach, a consultant, and people are asking you custom questions all the time, you can gather all of those answers in, make your own chat GPT for your business, and you can have that on your website. You could have that free, so that can lead to qualified leads after they see your own methodology and what you believe in or how you explain certain things. Or you can have this behind a paywall as well and offer this as a service for your potential customers. So that's saving you tons of times instead of answering tons of emails or people are constantly asking you things, and that takes care of your customer service. You can have this right here on your site. Next, we have Transcript. Now, this allows you to save tons of time by cutting out all of the hard work. Say, for instance, if you have a podcast and you're looking to create blog posts based off of the podcast, you can do that. If you want to create different topics or chapters based off of your long form podcast or videos, you can do this with Transcript. So instead of spending hours of listening back, of making timestamps and all those things, you can do it in just a few clicks. We do this for ourselves and for our clients. We can create summaries. We can also create different Q&As based off of the content, and the list goes on and on. This is a really good tool that we use a lot for our own content, and we save tons of hours week after week. The next tool that we use, number three, would be Conduit. Now, this is similar because similar to Chatbase in a way, it says get GPT like answers for your business. The key thing about Conduit is this is perfect if you have tons of data. So if you're running an online store, you're trying to figure out what my best product I'm selling, but instead of just seeing the analytics, you can start asking it questions about the data. What's my best selling tool or my best selling product over $100? What's my best selling tool in the last 2 weeks? The list goes on and on using this platform. And it's very easy to use as long as you plug it in, whatever resource you have. If you have Google Sheets, Salesforce, the list goes on and on. You can be using Conduit. And if you want to look at the solutions, take a look at the solution tabs. No matter what kind of business you have it or different use case, you can be looking at this. If you're in finance, if you're looking at Amazon, if you're trying to do things with a very specific e-commerce store, if you're also a coach, if you're in healthcare, there are so many different use cases for Conduit that will save you tons of times of reporting, and you can automate this so it can send out your reports weekly. It's spending tons of time trying to calculate, doing all those things. You can set it up to different automations and it will run all of the data that you need for your business. In the comment section down below, let me know, what kind of business are you running? What are you looking to do? And it's important to note, no matter what you're looking to do, write down what manual tasks or what is slowing you down to see how you can save so much time using the power of AI. If you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. And If you are looking for a way to make money with a side hustle, we have that free guide down below. If you like these videos and you want to see more about different AI tools, let me know and I'll see you in the next video.